Thank you so much. Now, without wasting time, let's start with our session. Over to you, sir. Now, without wasting time, let's start with our session. Over to you, sir. Now, without wasting time, let's start with our session.
And good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Spirit of and anyway, from some personal work here, and then I thank FSCI to give me this platform to get in touch with you all and show you whatever I have traveled this journey for this construction of this new Parliament building, which is a national emblem for us, and it's a temple of democracy. So I have a small presentation, and it is mostly I will not speak, I will show. And one thing, after going through this or after attending this session, I believe that you will be confident that you will be knowing everything about the new Parliament building. So whatever I am going to show you, it's not that it's any classified information or I am showing it to the public audience for the first time. It is available in public domain. Otherwise, I would have not come here and shown you all those things. Everything is available. But today, a lot of things are available in public domain, and which is authentic. I will be happy to take your questions at the end of the session. So there are some videos. There are many videos which I am going to play today. Along with there may be repetitive things. I request that your questions and national word. Pardon me for this thing repeating anything because pardon me for that. There may be repetitive, but like in Lok Sabha, I would try to do justice to the time. I think I have been allotted 1 hour. You will see 3-4 times. I will make sure that I will pardon me for within 1 hour. But after that, I try to do justice. Allotted 1 hour. So I have played this video. After that, I will complete this. So that thank you once again. There should be continuity. Let me start this. So I have played this video.
इसी से दोनों सदन में अशोक चक्र भी बना है। कहीं राजस्थान का दोनों सदन में अशोक चक्र भी बना है। कहीं राजस्थान प्रदेश का नींव बिछी है। कहीं उत्तर प्रदेश की नींव बिछी है। वुड फ्लोरिंग। वहीं सफेद माही त्रिपुरा से आया है। वुड फ्लोरिंग। एक भारत सफेद भारत गुजरात से आया है। सभी एक भारत प्रांतों में मिलकर बनाया है ये भाव। सभी वर्गों प्रांतों में मिलकर बनाया है ये भाव। भूकंप ये भवन इको फ्रेंडली होने के साथ साथ 1700 से अधिक दरवाजे खिड़कियां हैं। 1700 से अधिक दरवाजे 3 किलोमीटर लंबे बिल्डिंग 3.5 किलोमीटर लंबे बिल्डिंग। ये भवन विकास और विकास और विरासत। एक तरफ यहाँ शिक्षा और एक तरफ यहाँ शिक्षा और स्मार्ट एक्सेस की व्यवस्था है। वही भारत की प्राचीन अद्भुत एकीकरण भी है।
तो नया भवन आत्मनिर्भर भारत के निर्माण का गवाह बनेगा। पुराने भवन में देश आवश्यकता के लिए काम हुआ। तो नए भवन में 21वीं सदी के भारत की आकांक्षाएं पूरी की जाए।
नए भारत के आत्मविश्वास को बढ़ाता, विकसित भारत के गति देता। ये है हम भारतीय संसद भवन।
So I will start with one more video, which will give you some insight before I take to the presentation. Basically walk through. I'll just music on the music. So this is the lobby. Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So we have entered from the public entrance. So this is the Lok Sabha lobby. This is the skylight. And this is the entrance of the Lok Sabha. So people, MPs will enter from here. They will enter the Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha, as mentioned in the video also, it has the theme of peacock, our national bird. Whether it is a false ceiling, whether it is a upholstery of the furniture, whether it is a carpet, whether it is a marble, whether it is a anything. Everything is peacock. Then this is the Rajya Sabha ceremonial entrance. So from here, the Rajya Sabha MPs will enter. This is the lobby, which is more or less same to the Lok Sabha lobby. But here we have some different design. So all those, the marble which you are seeing is a lacquered marble. And this is the false ceiling which is done in the teakwood veneer. And this is the natural skylight done with the glass block and skylight above, polycarbonate sheet. This door is a fireproof door, which one door is having weight up to 50 kg. So once you enter, here we have followed the theme of lotus, which is the national flower. Whether it is a false ceiling, whether it is a design, jalis, etc. Then we come to the constitutional hall. This walkthrough taken when the construction was on. We were doing the finishing touch. This is the MP lobby where MP will sit like in airport launch. They will sit here. It is a central courtyard. There were trees, so we have kept the trees. Gandhi statue in the Parliament building, which is in the old Parliament building, and this is the view from the old Parliament building. So you can see that at the night there are some facade lighting which will give this look. This is the road between old Parliament building and the new Parliament building. So on 10th of December 2020, our Honorable Prime Minister has done the Bhumi Pujan. And when we did this event, it was a very auspicious day. So we did it, but we were not allowed to start the construction because there was some pain on the Supreme Court. Somebody has filed a writ petition, and at that time the project was not on. But we did that. And when it was in the public domain that we have to do it in 21 months, everybody was wondering. So at that time, I have given an interview to Construction Week, which is the Construction Week magazine is from UK, which is it is the best magazine for the construction coverage. So it's a 2-3 minutes or video. It will give you what was the feeling of the people when we started the work. So I'm taking you to the entire journey right from the tendering.
So much has changed in our country in the last 100 years. We were able to break free of the British rule, but some things they left behind, stuck with us. Our Parliament building is one such legacy. The British designed the structure, the British laid the foundation, and the British inaugurated the building. Now, the central government announced the construction of a new Parliament building, which the government says will honor India's cultural diversity, journey to becoming the largest democracy in the world. The new Parliament building will be a triangular structure spanning over an area of 64,500 square meters. A special feature of this Parliament building is the Grand Constitution Hall, showcasing India's heritage and cultural diversity. This hall is said to honor the works of Indian artisans and sculptors as a symbol of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the new slogan of self-reliance from this government. A significant part of the change has been the growth in India's population, rising questions about adequate political representation. The seating of the new Parliament building has increased 1.5 times compared to the old Parliament building. Between the two halls, the building has a seating capacity of 1,272 MPs, 888 in the lower house, the Lok Sabha, and 384 in the upper house, Rajya Sabha. The building will house lush amenities for the political representatives, a lounge, a library, multiple committee rooms, dining area, and lots of parking space. The new building will not have a central hall like the old building, a feature of creating a structure that maximizes space. As you would expect, the new Parliament building is eco-friendly and green. It is projected to consume 30% less electricity. The project will be in the hands of Tata Projects Limited and is estimated to cost rupees 862 crores. Tata has won the bid and will be building the new structure over the next year and a half, 21 months to be exact, with the project completion expected by July of 2022. That's the year of India's Platinum Jubilee, as the young independent nation turns 75. On 10th December 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for the project. With the groundbreaking ceremony or Bhumi Pujan, the ritual to honor the land of construction, the building still needs court sanction before construction begins.
This is the question we asked, and I am going to answer this.
This is a very important project for the country, and the first Parliament building which will be constructed in the independent India, and it's a national emblem. And we were thinking when we bid for this project, and we have bid very aggressive price, and then by the grace of God we have become N1 and we have won the tender, and we are very much confident that we will be able to complete this project on time with the requirement of quality and safety. And we feel proud to be associated with this project as a company and as an individual also. All projects are challenging. Since this is a very unique project, this also has its own challenges. And while bidding the tender, we all made the mitigation plans for all the risks and challenges what we have anticipated for executing this project. We feel that the timeline is a real challenge. We have to complete this project in 21 months, but we are geared up. We are very much geared up, and we have our plan of action in place. We will complete this project on a before time. will be using building information model, which is 3D. We are going to use the 3D and also 4D so that we can monitor the progress also. In the field, there will be clash detection because it's a turnkey project. All the interiors, stone work, MEP, building automation, everything is there in our scope. So if we use this 3D BIM and 4D BIM, it will be very useful for timely completion of this project without any delay and with desired quality. We are also contemplating to use the precast because there is a huge scope on using precast in this project. So we will be using precast technology as well. During construction, we don't foresee any. We will be, since it is a classified building, we will be taking all the measures to see that the information remains within the site and doesn't leak outside the project site. So that care we are going to take. We have already barricaded the site with 10 meter height barricadation, and we will be doing it in the manner we are supposed to do.
As Tata Projects embarks on a significant step in re-engineering a new India with the new value system, we wish the project all the best.
So just to give you a glimpse that what was there in the architect's mind, because whatever images you have seen in this video were rendered image, and what I am going to show you and what I have shown you is the actual image. So you can correlate what was there before the tender and what is today. So that's the reason I have shown you all those things, and the people's feeling, people's sentiments, that everybody was excited whether this 21 months is a doable duration, and we have made it. So this is the Google image of this structure. The circular image is the old Parliament building, and this is the new. This is a very important slide. So Central Vista, people are talking this project as Central Vista, which is a wrong misnomer. This is a new Parliament building which is part of Central Vista. Central Vista is a complete development shown here. So I'll just use the pointer. Yeah, can you please switch off the light? Yeah. Are you able to see my pointer? Yeah. So this is the, if you see this triangle, this is the project. So if you can see the entire development, it is hardly 3%, 4% of the entire footprint of the project. But there are a lot of, because this is a very ambitious plan of our Honorable Prime Minister. It is, I think, 15,000 crores odd estimated complete development, which has been developed by HCP, which is Hasmukh C. Patel, a design consultant from Ahmedabad. Mr. Bimal Patel is leading that group. So they are doing. So this is we call it as Parliament Annexe plot, wherein it has been taken. This is the Central Library, this is the old Parliament, this is the new Parliament. And these are the different buildings, those are going to come, and those are ongoing also. Most of some 4 or 5 projects have already started, in which that Vice President Bungalow, one Common Central Secretariat, one Executive Enclave, which has Prime Minister's office and residence, that work has been started. One Kartavya Path is also part of Central Vista, which has been completed. So we as Tata Projects are doing only Parliament building. So this is the comparison between the old and new Parliament building. So old Parliament building consists of area of 39,000. This is 65,000. Only 550 Lok Sabha seats. Here it is 672 to 768. And Rajya Sabha 250. Here it is 384. Central Hall 390 capacity. Here is approximately 1600 capacities. Galleries, there are Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha galleries. So here also the quantum is almost double. I have video for this also, which I'm going to play here.
की जमीन पर 10 दिसंबर 2 और वर्टिब्रिक का उदाहरण भी है। निर्मित भवन जहां एक और भारत की गौरवशाली लोकतांत्रिक परंपराओं और संवैधानिक मूल्यों को और अधिक समृद्ध करने का कार्य करेगा, वहीं अत्याधुनिक सुविधाओं से युक्त इस भवन में सदस्यों को अपने कार्यों को और बेहतर तरीके से निष्पादित करने में भी सहायता मिलेगी। संसद में नए भवन के निर्माण की आवश्यकता एक लंबे समय से महसूस की जा रही थी। इसे देखते हुए लोकसभा और राज्यसभा दोनों सदनों ने 5 अगस्त 2019 को सरकार से संसद के नए भवन के निर्माण का आग्रह किया। इसे देखा जाए तो संसद के वर्तमान भवन में लोकसभा में 550, राज्यसभा में 250 सांसदों के बैठने की व्यवस्था है। संसद के नवनिर्मित भवन में लोकसभा में 888, राज्यसभा में 384 सदस्यों की बैठने की व्यवस्था की गई है। दोनों सदनों का संयुक्त सत्र लोकसभा चैम्बर में आयोजित किया जाएगा। नए संसद भवन में सेंट्रल हॉल नहीं होगा, इसकी जगह कमेटी हॉल होगा। संसद के नए भवन में बेहतर खूबसूरत संविधान कक्ष भी बनाया गया है। इसके अलावा अतिरिक्त लॉन्च, पुस्तकालय, कैंटीन और पार्किंग की सुविधा दी गई है। नए संसद भवन की आवश्यकता आखिरकार क्यों पड़ी? ब्रिटिशकालीन संसद भवन लगभग 100 साल पुराना है। 1971 की जनगणना के आधार पर किए गए परिसीमन के आधार पर लोकसभा सीटों की संख्या 545 बनी हुई है। सीटों की कुल संख्या बढ़ाने पर रोक 2026 में समाप्त हो रही है। वर्तमान संसद में बैठने की व्यवस्था तंग और बोझिल है। दूसरी पंक्ति के आगे कोई डेस्क नहीं है। सेंट्रल हॉल में भी केवल 440 व्यक्तियों के बैठने की क्षमता है। संयुक्त सत्र होने पर सीमित सीटों की समस्या और भी बढ़ जाती है। आवाजाही के लिए सीमित जगह होने के कारण ये एक बहुत बड़ा सुरक्षा जोखिम है। संसद के पुराने भवन को भूकंप रोधी प्रमाणित नहीं किया जा सकता, जबकि दिल्ली भूकंपीय क्षेत्र 2 से भूकंपीय क्षेत्र 4 में आती है। संसद का नया भवन पुराने भवन से 17,000 वर्ग मीटर बड़ा है। संसद के नए भवन को 64,500 वर्ग मीटर क्षेत्र में बनाया गया है। संसद के 4 मंजिला भवन में मंत्रियों और पार्टियों का अपना अलग कमरा होगा। संसद का नया भवन टाटा प्रोजेक्ट लिमिटेड ने बनाया है। संसद का नया भवन पूर्ण रूप से भूकंप रोधी है, जिसका डिजाइन SCP डिजाइन प्लानिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ने तैयार किया है। इसके आर्किटेक्ट विमल पटेल हैं।
So reason for showing this video is just to compare old and new and why we require the new parliament, because question comes, especially the opposition, that why we are constructing this. So you must know today after this session that why the new parliament is required. These are the building layout. As I told in my interview that we have extensively used the 3D BIM model, which is building information model for this. So the drawings are always in 3D. So from that this extract has come. We also use 4D for the project monitoring, whether the progress is done as per planned or not, because this 3D BIM model has been connected with Primavera and we were monitoring the progress also. The benefit of using 3D is basically since all the activities are there, firefighting pipe, electrical cables, tray, HVAC duct. So you can, if you develop LOD, there are level of details. So the basic detail starts from LOD 200, which is a basic architectural drawing, and then you further develop it. So we have developed up to LOD 400, wherein we can incorporate all the as-built drawings also. So when the as-built drawings are being incorporated, you can do the crack detection. If some duct is crossing, intersecting through the cable tray, or some pipe is going through the duct, so all those things are being detected here, and it has been rectified at the drawing table only instead of at site. So this is the Lok Sabha. As you have seen the video, this false ceiling, which is hanged, it is like a mezzanine floor. Above this, where this false ceiling is hanged, it is almost 350 metric ton structural steel work, which is hanging from the slab, and this is 22 meters span. There is no column in between. So the beam depth was up to 6 meter, 6 meter beam depth. So when the people were tying the reinforcement, they were entering. We were also going to check the reinforcement under the beam. So with that, we have done this. The formwork was erected for the slab. The same formwork was used for this false ceiling also. So unique features. You can see the Ashok Chakra. It is a paperless parliament. If you can see that there are multimedia units in front of every member of parliament. So there will not be any paper, there will not be any file, there will not be anything. So in this multimedia unit, they can vote, they can choose their language, they can browse, they can see the document, anything they can do. Then this motif carpet, which is there, it is a hand-woven carpet, which was done in Mirzapur. You would have seen that web series Mirzapur. It is the same place where this carpet was made. Then engraved furniture. This furniture is completely engraved within the veneer. Peacock jalis. All these jalis you can see there are 6 jalis. So all the 6 jalis are having peacock different positions. And green marble wall. You can see on in the United Nations whenever there is a the green marble wall, you can see the same green marble, Baroda green marble has been used here. It is basically Udaipur green. This is Rajya Sabha. Here we have followed the national flower scheme. So lotus, same design is almost same. The sizes are same, the spanning is same, but the theme is different. So here also Ashok Chakra, paperless parliament, same carpet with the lotus design on the carpet, engraved furniture with the lotus design, and red marble wall. Here it is a red marble instead of green. This is a constitutional hall. This is very interesting, and it will be open to public. Anybody can go here with proper ticketing. So here you can see this false ceiling. It is done in the metal. Okay, it's a brass ceiling. And when our constitution was formed, whatever the sky of 26th January 1950, the same sky has been depicted here with all the stars and etc. And all these circular columns are done with a marble cladding, Jodhpur stone cladding. This is a very beautiful feature. So here all this Makrana marble, this is a dial gauge, and this pendulum is hanging. And with the rotation of the earth, this pendulum will show the timing. And when the time it will come, the light will blow here on this railing. You can see here it is a constitutional hall. So there this constitution of our constitution will be placed. This is the central courtyard. Central courtyard, there were old trees. So we have retained these old trees during the entire construction. And whatever you have seen in the video, which was shown earlier, render image, see this is the actual image. This is the library. Waiting area. MP launch. MP would be sitting here. This is a Galicha floor. This is a terrazzo tiles. You can see it's like a carpet, but it's a tiles. This is the minister room. This flooring is a wooden bamboo flooring, which has come from Tripura. So this is a very important slide. So I can say that 3,300 ton load of air cooling, air conditioning, 6,500 multimedia devices, 45 Sunset TV cameras, 3,500 internet devices, 850 CCTV equipments, 265,000 cubic meter of excavation, 80 devices of gate management. There is a gate management, tire, thruster, the bollard, automatic bollard. The bollard will come automatic. So in case of any terrorist attack, it will puncture the tire immediately. Then 350 VPN for network management. 27,000 metric ton of reinforcement has been used in this building. 1,350 kilometer of cable and wiring. 1,350. 90,000 square meter of ducting HVAC. 9,000 furniture pieces. 80,000 square meter of stone work. 60,000 meter of piping. Almost 60 kilometer. 1,75,000 cubic meter of concrete. And 3.5 kilometer of built-in corridor. Whatever corridor you are seeing here, if you go inside and enter, you will be lost. will not be able to know from where it will, it's like Jantar Mantar, where to come out. Because this corridor is 3.5 kilometers. This is the corridor, Y-shaped corridor, and then these are the corridor within the, near the minister's offices. So what are all the challenges? So first of all, this is the old parliament building, and this is the new parliament building construction site. So we have to see that there will be session on, and we can't stop the parliament running because we have to do work in 2.5 years. So we have erected a 10-meter height barricade with a sound barrier. It can absorb up to 50 decibel of sound, so that whatever construction is happening, it will resist, it will protect the sound, so sound will not come this side. So 50 mm sheet has been used for the noise resistance. Then construction is always prone to pollution. Lot of dust, lot of concreting, lot of noise. But we have captured, we have used all these mist spray, smoke guns, so it will spray the water, so that whatever dust which is coming out because of the construction, it will settle down. So if you can see this AQI, and we have monitored this, it is a real-time monitoring was happening in front of site. And this AQI, whatever AQI index was there, it was better than, these parameters were better than the Delhi. So it was the measures which we have taken. So AQI, it was good, in Delhi it was severe. But it was good. Then excavation, 1,65,000 cubic meter of excavation, and this earth has to be dumped somewhere. It's not that you did the excavation. Excavation is an easy activity. But transporting this earth and storing it somewhere, it was an Herculean task, especially in the VIP area. And all the BS5 dumpers were used. BS5 dumpers, the tippers which generally carries the earth, is not available. So we have mobilized from Gujarat and all over India, because almost 70-80 trucks were mobilized for transporting this earth. This is the complexity. To see how much staging, how much scaffolding has been erected for the work. I will show you one very good, interesting time-lapse video, which will show you how the construction has taken place. So I am just making this presentation much more interesting by embedding some videos, which will give you some better insight of the project. So generally what we do, we provide the optic view as a technology. They are provider of the wireless cameras, which has been connected to the cloud. And we have installed it in the old parliament building. And this cameras takes high resolution picture at every 10 minutes. And all those pictures are being stitched and this time-lapse video has been made. So you can remotely also can monitor. So we have access to our mobile phones also, with a limited access to the people. We can see all those progress, etc. online. The stone was the major challenge, because this much stone with this quality, how to bring it, how to place it, how to cut it, how to process it. was a really Herculean task. And we did a lot of work here. Lot of work. You can see that we have visited quarries. This is the picture you can see. You can see me. I have personally visited each and every quarry. I spent around 1 month in Rajasthan. And we have hunted all the quarries, all the processing units. And today we are in a position to, complete this entire masterpiece. So I will it's a 20 minutes video, but I will, shorten it whenever there is a discussion. But you can see how this stone work has been accomplished. It is a very, very insightful video.
इसमें हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि संसद के इस नए भवन में कौन कौन से पत्थरों का प्रयोग किया गया है। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं इसके एक्सटीरियर की। दरअसल भारत की भूमि से कई खनिज निकलते हैं। इसमें से सबसे महत्वपूर्ण खनिज पत्थर भी हैं, जिसकी डिमांड देश विदेश में है। अगर हम इसके एक्सटीरियर की बात करें, प्रयोग किया गया है और नीचे
जब ये काम टाटा प्रोजेक्ट्स को मिला तो हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था कि इतना स्टोन लाए कहाँ से, क्योंकि करीब 4 लाख स्क्वायर मीटर स्टोन बाहर है। उसमें जो बेस स्टोन है वो करीब 30% है, बाकी 70% पिंक स्टोन है। उसके बाद हमें अंदर 2 लाख स्क्वायर फीट का फ्लोरिंग है लाखा रेड मार्बल का। उसके बाद जो क्लेडिंग थी हमारी बेस स्टोन की वो भी करीब 1.3 लाख स्क्वायर फीट थी। ये सब क्वांटिटीज़ को हमने पूरी तरह से इसका पूरा सर्वे करने के बाद एक क्वारी में जाके हमने पूरा उसका सृजन किया और बहुत सारी एजेंसियों को हमने इसमें डिप्लॉय किया।
संसद के नए भवन के लिए टाटा ने हमें स्टोन लगाने के लिए आमंत्रित किया। ये पत्थर मेनली 2 टाइप के हैं। एक है रेड सैंडस्टोन, जो कि तो सर मथुरा से आया हुआ है, राजस्थान में से। और ये आपने बहुत सारी पुरानी हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग्स में भी देखा होगा, जैसे कि तो रेड फोर्ट हो गया और जितनी भी पुरानी बिल्डिंग्स हैं, इवन संसद का जो पुराना भवन है उसके अंदर भी सेम चीज को यूज किया गया है। इसका जो एरिया है, जो एक्सटीरियर जो क्लैडिंग है, ये सारे के सारे एक नए तरीके से की गई है, जो कि तो बेसिकली अर्थक्वेक रेजिस्टेंट जिसको बोला जा सकता है। इसमें पत्थर गिरने की संभावना ड्यूरिंग एन अर्थक्वेक कम हो जाती है। इसको हम अंडरकट मेथड बोलते हैं। और इसके अंदर जो मेन जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है, बिल्डिंग का जो मेन स्ट्रक्चर है और पत्थर के बीच के अंदर एक गैप होता है और एक फ्रेमिंग के ऊपर इस पत्थर को फिर जैसे आप पिक्चर फ्रेम टांगते हैं उस तरीके से इसको टांग दिया जाता है।
जैसे आपका सर्कुलर स्टोन है, तो सर्कुलर स्टोन एक स्ट्रिप बन रही है पूरी। ऑक्टागोनल कॉलम है, ऑक्टागोनल कॉलम सिर्फ 2 पीस में लगा है। जो जाली लगी है, जाली का काम हमने यहाँ की एजेंसी को दिया था, नोएडा की एजेंसी को दिया था, यूपी की, उन्होंने किया है। तो ये सब सारी एजेंसियों को हमने टाटा प्रोजेक्ट ने सबको एक माला में गूंथ के यहाँ पर लगा के इस प्रोजेक्ट को हमने समय पर कंप्लीट किया है।
इसके अंदर कुछ सैंडस्टोन की जालियां हैं जो कि तो स्पेशलाइज्ड वाटर जेट से काटी गई हैं और उनके अंदर डिजाइन एज पर जो आर्किटेक्ट का जो कॉन्सेप्ट था उस तरीके से बिल्कुल काट के और फिर लगाई गई है। ये जो रेड स्टोन आप देख रहे हैं, ये सर मथुरा राजस्थान से आया हुआ है और इसका ये जो रेड स्टोन है ये बिल्कुल इसका नेचुरल कलर है। ये रेड ही है, इसमें हल्का सा वेरिएशन जो आता है वो नेचुरल वेरिएशन ही होता है। इसका जो साइज जो यहाँ पे जो नॉर्मल जो साइज है वो करीबन 4 फुट बाय 4 फुट से लेके 4 फुट बाय 4 फुट का है। ये नीचे के भाग के अंदर ही है, ऊपर के भाग के अंदर व्हाइट धोलपुर लगा हुआ है। व्हाइट धोलपुर का जो साइज है, व्हाइट धोलपुर जो है वो भी बेसिकली राजस्थान से ही आया हुआ है, धोलपुर राजस्थान से ही आया हुआ है और इसका साइज ऑलमोस्ट 1200 बाय 450 mm का इसका साइज है। क्योंकि ये दोनों के दोनों नेचुरल मटेरियल्स हैं, इनकी शेल्फ लाइफ, इनके खराब होने का कोई चांस नहीं है। इनके बचाव के लिए सिर्फ हम ऊपर एक केमिकल लगा देते हैं जो कि तो इसकी पानी से बचाव करता है।
इस पूरे स्टोन ग्रेडिंग के काम में सबसे मुश्किल काम था ये ऑक्टोगोनल कॉलम। ये 78 कॉलम है और ये खंभे हमने आरसीसी में भी ऑक्टोगोनल ही कास्ट किए और उसके बाद इनको 2 पीस में हमने इसको ऐसा जोड़ा और सिर्फ 2 जॉइंट है इसमें और एक एक पत्थर है। ये इसकी ऊंचाई है 7.5 मीटर। इसमें टोटल 15 पीस लगे हैं आधे मीटर के और इसकी एक की जो वजन आता है वो करीब 200 किलो आता है। इस 200 किलो को उस हाइट पर लगाना एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था, क्योंकि हमने हमारे कारीगरों ने बहुत बखूबी निभाया और पूरी सेफ्टी के साथ हमने बिना किसी को कुछ क्षति पहुंचाए इस काम को पूरा किया। और इसमें जो फिनिश आया है वो भी एक यूनिक है। इस तरीके का फिनिश आपको कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगा। ये एक यूनिक स्ट्रक्चर है और यूनिक आर्किटेक्ट है।
तो जब फाइनली 78 पोल के साथ जालीदार पूरी शीट लगाकर एक्सटीरियर का काम पूरी तरह से कंप्लीट हो चुका है, लेकिन सर ये पत्थर में देख रहे हैं ये इस पत्थर से अलग है, मतलब ये पत्थर कुछ अलग है।
रेड स्टोन यूज किया और कुछ स्टेयर के इसके अंदर जो हमने यूज किया 5000 स्क्वायर मीटर, तो टोटल मिला के हमने इसमें 3 लाख स्क्वायर फीट माल राजस्थान के अंदर जो लाखा रेड को लगाया।
एक ही कलर है बस, ये लाखा। ये पत्थर जो अपने संसद मंडी नई संसद, इसमें बहुत सारा गया माल लगा है और राम मंदिर में भी लग रहा है और गया लग रहा है।
200 साल तक की एक सेम रिपोर्ट रहती है, इसमें कलर में कोई चेंज नहीं आता है। बाकी बहुत सारे कलरों में चेंज हो जाता है, बट लाखा की ये खासियत, सबसे बड़ी खासियत ये है कि इसका एक ही कलर रहता है, वो हमेशा लाल रहता है, स्टार्टिंग से लेकर लास्ट तक हमेशा रेड रहता है। वैसे लाखा में क्रेक की समस्याएं होती है, इसमें बड़ा पत्थर निकलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है। हमारे लिए तो भगवान की भी आशीर्वाद है, इसमें हम बहुत फ्रेश मेटल निकलता है, इसलिए हमने 100 टन के करीब एक पत्थर निकाल चुके हैं ऑलरेडी पहले से। पार्लियामेंट में जैसे जैसे इसकी जरूरत है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने 2 लाख से 3 लाख स्क्वायर फीट करीब माल पहुँचाने का।
जो काम हमें लग रहा था कि हम डिलीवर नहीं कर पाएंगे, उन्होंने दिन और रात मेहनत करके इसका सर ये काम पार्लियामेंट में जा रहा है, यानी कि हमारा घर बन रहा है और उसके लिए वो दिन और रात मेहनत करके इस पत्थर को तराश रहे थे, उस पत्थर को कटिंग कर रहे थे, उस पत्थर का प्रोसेस कर रहे थे।
3 महीने से हम यहाँ पे माइन से ब्लॉक लेकर आते हैं, ब्लॉक की कटिंग करते हैं, फिर उसकी अलग अलग साइज बनाते हैं। जैसे 4 फुट की साइज होती है, 4 बाई 2 की होती है और इसकी फ्लेमिंग वगैरह हम करवाते हैं। फिर अलग जो एक ब्रिज कटर होता है वहाँ पे साइज बनने का काम होता है। यहाँ पे हमारे यहाँ स्लैब बनती है, बड़ी बड़ी स्लैब बनाते हैं।
मन से माल लाने के बाद में अलग अलग फैक्ट्रियों में डाल देते, जैसे रिक्वायरमेंट होती है उसी थिकनेस के अकॉर्डिंग माल को कटाया जाता है। ये समय
ये हमें लोटस बनाना था, फ्लावर बनाने थे और कुछ पैनल्स थे जो कि पूरा डिजाइनिंग का काम था, जो कि सिर्फ CNC से काम हो सकता था, वाटर जेट से काम हो सकता था। तो उसके लिए हमने जयपुर का हमने पूरा सहयोग लिया, किशनगढ़ से हमने उससे पूरा सहयोग लिया और काम को तैयार किया।
हमें ये काम सीता मार्बल दिल्ली की कंपनी ने डेलीगेट किया था लोकसभा का मिला के, जिसे हमने 2 महीने के अंदर पूरा किया था। लोकसभा के अंदर जो ग्रीन मार्बल था उसके अंदर इसी मशीन से टेक्सचरिंग की गई थी और कटिंग की गई थी और एक बहुत ही यूनिक फिनिश बनाई गई है जो लोकसभा की बैक वॉल पे लगी हुई है। ऐसे ही राज्यसभा के अंदर लाल मार्बल के ऊपर इसी मशीन से वो वाला काम सारा का सारा टेक्सचरिंग का और कटिंग का काम किया गया था।
इसमें कितने लोगों का योगदान रहा, ऑलमोस्ट इसके अंदर
कम से कम 30 बंदे यहाँ पे फिलहाल संसद का काम कर रहे हैं, जो फैक्ट्री के थ्रू। बाकी अगर माइंस का भी और जोड़े तो यहाँ पे लगभग अप्रॉक्स 100 आदमी हो जाते हैं जो पार्लियामेंट का काम कर रहे हैं।
चौथे लोग, चौथी टीम वो थी जिन्होंने इसको इसके अंदर एडिसिव्स लगा के फंसाया, इनकी पैकेजिंग की और इनके अंदर अच्छे से केमिकल लगा के इनको बिल्कुल परफेक्ट लुक, ग्रेस एंड शाइन दी। पार्लियामेंट की बैक वॉल का काम था, जो कि लोकसभा की बैक वॉल का काम था।
इसमें काफ़ी
थे और 3 दिन के अंदर हम वो खत्म कर रहे थे। एक तो जज्बा था काम करने का पार्लियामेंट के लिए और एक उत्साह था कि बस कुछ करके दिखाना है। तो इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए हमने वो करके दिखाया। आप ये देखिए कि इस प्रोजेक्ट को करने के लिए कितने हुनरमंदों का हाथ था इसके अंदर, और उसमें एक हाथ हमारा भी था।
लोकसभा और राज्यसभा की वॉल्स पे दिखाई देंगे।
और मकराना से सफेद मार्बल किशनगढ़ में ये आपको छोड़े।
So we would have seen that how much hard work and how much processing is involved. This stone is just not like a stone. This is the stone which has been taken out from the quarry in a block form, then in the gang saw it has been cut, then it has been processed in the different shapes, and those have been fixed. You have seen the entire process of stone fixing. This is the false ceiling which I showed you. This false ceiling is resting on this. This is the Constitutional Hall, which I said that brass false ceiling. This is the structure which is behind this. It is not visible, but we know because we have done 350 metric ton of structural steel which is carrying out this false ceiling. And people can go, people can walk, people can do any maintenance here without affecting the. When the station is all on, the people can go and do the maintenance. This is the stone, Makrana marble stone, which is the pendulum, and it is a dial gauge. We have also faced the COVID wave, second wave. At that time, we have maintained all the social distancing with the people. 2,000 people were working. We have given them the proper, sanitation, proper COVID protocol. We have given them vaccination. We have also provided a isolation ward for them with a proper medical, full-time medical oxygen concentrator. And at the time, the vaccination was very costlier in the earlier phases. I have paid 550 rupees per vaccination per labor, but we have made sure that there is no COVID case in the. There were COVID cases, but we were monitoring it and we were quarantining. We were time to time we were quarantining the people. These are some important events when Mr. Tata came for the Bhumi Pujan. Our group chairman, Mr. N. Chandrasekharan, also came 2-3 times to the project. Prime Minister Narendra Modi came when he came back from one overseas tour. He just came on the Sunday 10 o'clock, and it was a surprise visit. Half an hour before SPG team came. Sunday generally we don't work, but work was happening, concreting was happening when he came, and he has spoken to all the workers, those were present. And workers got completely motivated because they were knowing that we are doing, and Prime Minister Modi is monitoring this project. And he went to every nook and corner of the building in this situation. There was a national emblem which is at 21 feet. It has weight of almost 12 metric ton. It was done, the clay model was done by Sunil Devre, who is the sculptor from Aurangabad, who has done it, and the metaling was done, the casting was done in Jaipur. Prime Minister always, he from time to time he was coming to the project and monitoring, talking to the laborers, talking to the only laborers. I never got chance to speak to him, though I was involved. But he was always encouraging that he should talk to the Shramjeevis. This was our group chairman who has come, our managing director. These are some glimpses, when all the people, all the engineers were celebrating. So, if time permits, I can take something for the art and culture which is there in the public entrance, public area. So there are dwarpals. So there are 6 gates, 3 ceremonial entrance and 3 public entrance. So you can see that in one there is a Hansa, and at one gate there is a Makar, one is at Shardul, then Gaja, Garuda, and Ashwa. All this there are dwarpals. So generally in old age you can see the dwarpal, image of dwarpal, but here you can see the image of these. Those are, has significance. So say Gaja represents power, wisdom, wealth, intellect and memory. Garuda represents aspiration, prosperity and progress. Ashwa represent endurance, courage and dynamism. These are some Sankalp Mandap and at ceremonial entrance. There are 3 ceremonial entrances, and at every ceremonial entrance there are Sankalp Mandap. There are Kartavya Mandap at ceremonial entrance. Gyan Mandap is also there. There are 3 ceremonial entrances. These are Shilpa Dirgha. You can see everywhere, all the Shilp in all over India, it's captured. There is a Satya Dirgha and Sangeet Dirgha. All from different region. There are folk, there are music in different region, represent different music. So all are been captured here. This is the Constitutional Gallery wherein this Constitution of India has been placed, and people can go and watch. These are some artwork done in Constitutional Gallery. This is Samudra Manthan in the ceremonial and in the complete central foyer. There is a Samudra Manthan embossing artwork has been done in the entire wall. This is the People's Wall at different. It's a triangular building. So in another wall it is a People's Wall. This is the glimpse at the night, how this parliament looks, with some hazard lighting. So thank you very much. Thanks for your time. I'm happy to take any questions. If you have any questions related to this presentation or related to this project, I'll be happy to take. I will run some pictures, but it will be on without audio. But by that time I can take the questions. So it is from the contract signing how the journey has started. So no question?
About this construction technique, you have gone for post-engineering for bigger spans? No, conventional.
Was conventional.
What is the reason?
Post-engineering was not permitted by the structural consultant. Because we have one span was there. So we have requested, but he was very adamant. He said no, we have to do cast in situ only.
Okay, because it is widely used everywhere nowadays.
Yeah. There are some deflections also. So here what the deflections was considered lesser. Because the entire beam was carrying out that false ceiling weight. So in case of deflection, there is a likelihood of there is a crack in the veneer which has been used for the false ceiling. So post-tensioning is an economic area for the minimizing the depth of the beam and minimizing the area of steel. But here that was not the intent. Intent was to have with less deflection. The beam was designed for a very minimal deflection. And we have taken care during the construction. We have provided the camber. We asked how much the deflection has been considered in the design. With the same way, we have provided the camber. So by the time we de-shuttered, the deflection has come and the beam was completely flat. This was carrying the load of the entire false ceiling 350 metric ton of steel. So with that motive, the post-tensioning was not allowed.
Secondly, I wonder how the estimating was done and how you could code for that, because there are many items may not be included in the basic tender, and how could you calculate? That is the question to me.
Yeah, such a good question, very relevant. Because when this tendering was done, COVID was on, lockdown was on, everybody was working from home. But our people have gone to the quarries. Okay, we have gone to the quarries, we have taken the rates of the stones, we have connected with all the peoples. Because this is our day out job, so we know what all the things are happening. I know this is unique structure, and whatever niches are there, those are unique. But we have tied up with the vendors during the tendering only. So our furniture was done by Nursi, so we are tied up with them in the beginning. in the tendering itself. Based on their costing, we have quoted for this. So it was a little wrong because we are incurring losses in this project. But it was the need of the day. Our motto was to back this job, not to earn profit.
Okay. How long it took to calculate your tender and this thing? How much time you got for it?
45 days.
45 days.
Yes. It was an item tender.
Okay.
So we have quoted only on the items.
Because actually, when you increase the speed of construction, the cost increases much more than the estimated. Means,
So whenever there is an acceleration, you need to spend more.
Yeah.
But you also spend on your fixed cost. But here, what happens? The fixed cost was keep on increasing.
Right.
But acceleration pays you dividends also because it completes your project before. And company like Tata, we spend a lot of money in the overhead charges. We pay good salaries, we pay good wages, we take care of our people. So cost of overheads are very high.
Very good job you have done, and we all congratulate you for the excellent work.
Thank you. Yeah. Gentlemen.
Sir, as you said that you have used 3D and 4D for the construction of the Parliament building. So, what measures you have taken for the sustainable management, for the sustainable and also for the facility management that comes under 60 and 70 of BIM?
No, 60, 70, 5D we have not implemented.
Okay.
We have gone up to 4D only.
Okay.
So first, the architect developer consultant has done an architect. They have shared the UD 200 model with us.
Okay.
Then further development to UD 400. Okay. We have also incorporated the shop drawings. Shop drawings we collected from organizations and we have incorporated the other model. So you are very aware that only 60 are used for the maintenance. But here, it is not because we are, I think, very few projects are, I think, I haven't seen any project where the 70 has been
used. Okay.
Yeah, but this is a project where we have used up to 4D.
Okay.
And LOD 400 was the model. Where we have done all the clash detections. Because time was running out of time. We were doing everything.
Yes.
But
the time was a challenge.
So there was no room for any work. So that's why the need of implementing 3D and LOD 400 model was the need for this project.
Okay.
Which we did it very efficiently.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations.
Thank you. One gentleman from there. No, but I think people are online also, they should be audible. So please provide him the mic. Yeah, please take the mic because the people are, I think, online also because it is a YouTube live program. So they should also understand your question.
Thank you. I don't know, I missed it in between, but can you put some light on the jali material and between the octagonal columns and how you casted the octagonal columns?
Yeah, so you are talking about stonework or you are talking about RCC work?
RCC.
RCC was an octagonal formwork which was used. So octagonal reinforcement, octagonal stirrups, reinforcement and octagonal stirrups were used. So casting was very easy. We have used self-leveling concrete here because it was designed for two sector of safety and zone 5. So, and it is a earthquake resistant building, bomb proof resistant building. So reinforcement was used 550D, which is make to order. So we have given entire order to Tata Steel, and Tata Steel has supplied. We have taken cement from Ultratech. Entire Ultratech cement has been used. We were having our own 3 patching plants. So our octagonal column was raised in two flights. So the complete set was made like you make the metro column, what you see, or bridges column you see. The same quality we have maintained. And it was a MS structure formwork what we have used. It was a very sturdy column structure. And the stone, as I covered in my video, the stone was only 2 pieces. Generally octagonal make 8 pieces. But here architect was very stubborn. He said, I will only allow 2 joints. So two joints in two pieces. So two pieces have been kept like this. And one piece weight of 200 kg. The entire octagonal stone was processed in Mount Abu, not Mount Abu, Abu Road. So there it has been processed with a wire cut CNC machine, and it was packed. The expenses of taking of the stone was 15 to 20% of the cost of the stone, because it has to come without any breakages, without any cracks or anything. It's small, if the corners also it can damage. The entire stone is rejected. So with that efficiency, we have done the packing. We brought the material to Delhi. There was restriction at site because it is in a VIP area. So you can't take the lorry at your whims and fancy. You have to follow. All the material was shifted in the night. Whatever we require in the daytime, all the material has to be shifted in the night so that the people can take the material to the right place. So that was about the stone. It was a Dholpur stone. We have taken from Sar Mathura. The blocks were sent to Abu Road. In Abu Road factory, Trivedi stone, they have done the processing of the stone and packing of the stone.
Sir, in between the columns there is the cladding of the jali. That's a jali or what?
Yeah, so between those columns, the jali was placed. There is no connection between those columns and jali. Only it is a hot dip galvanized MS frame, galvanized frame which is behind that jali, which is holding those jalis. Those frames have been fabricated in Daman, and complete measurement was taken and was placed just a click and claw. And on that the jali was placed. This jali is not a single piece. This jali is having every 600 millimeters there are jalis, but the work was done in CNC machine so nicely that nobody can point out where is the joint. It's single jali you can see. But there are 15 jalis placed one upon another.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good question. CLP is 1 year. 1 year, but we have a comprehensive maintenance of 5 years. All the MEPs and other things, 5 years comprehensive maintenance, not the facility management. We are not going to broom the floor. But yes, whatever chillers, DGs, etc., fire pumps, etc., those to be. Yes. And we have done the tied up with the OEMs. When we place order, we place for the 5 years comprehensive maintenance. So it is in their scope, we have to monitor it.
Congratulations, sir. My question is whether the new parliament building is having any green certification from the authorities like
yes, it is AR rated, it is a platinum rated building that has all the features. It has got good points. We have used fly ash bricks in the entire construction. We have also, there are air-cooled chillers, cooling towers. The chillers are everything, it's a completely green building.
Thank you, sir.
Zero liquid discharge. Yeah, one lady you wanted to ask question.
Hello. My questions regarding tendering. How many competitor was there during tendering?
Yeah, so CPWD was the implementing agency. This project is MOUHA, Ministry of Housing Affairs and Urban Development. So they have appointed CPWD. CPWD is reporting to them. So CPWD was the agency whom we were reporting, and we have signed the contract. So they have done the RFQ first. So RFQ 5 agencies have participated. So in the RFQ there was financial parameters, technical parameters. They have gone to ongoing projects. They have seen our ongoing projects, completed projects, and based on that they have given some marking. And on that there was a committee, and that committee has decided to shortlist 3 contractors out of 5. So 2 were disqualified. It is there in the public domain also. There is a paper news. There was paper news also. So it's not worth mentioning for me who were disqualified, but 3 were qualified. So one is Larsen & Toubro, one is my previous company, Tata Projects, and third was Shapurji Palunji. So Shapurji Palunji in RFP Thakurji, Palunji were very active in the pre-bid, etc. But they didn't bid. I don't know what was the reason. They said there was a technical glitch, but they didn't bid. There was 2 bid only, Larsen & Toubro and ourselves. And our price was only 0.36% below Larsen & Toubro.
Yes.
So it was a bolt from the blue for them. How they doubted that whether the price have been leaked, but that was not the case. It was the grace of God. The Tata project wanted to do this. I wanted to do this. I was praying God. So finally we got this time. Sorry?
to the professor of KBT college and the staff members. They have helped us a lot because we are new to this hall. So they have all provided the sound system, their projector system, mics, this very small things, but they have provided in a very short time. Actually, we have not planned for that, but they have provided us. So the sir's presentation is very interactive, and I am also thankful to the media. They have taken the press conference. They have come with very short notice. ABP Maza, Star News, all the news channels also came, and they have taken the bites of the sir. So tomorrow definitely you will find the presentation details in all newspaper. So once again thankful to everyone for coming here. Thank you. Now we will proceed for Rashtragit. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल वंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की जय. I request all CWC members for a group photograph.
काढतो.